Today on How to Thrifty, I'm going to show you how I fixed my leaking Instant Pot. So one day my wife was cooking dinner in the Instant Pot and we noticed there was steam coming out of the sides of the lid here like this instead of normally at the venting port in the back. And it was taking a long time to cook the food, so we realized it wasn't sealing correctly and we had to do something about it. It also made it really hot to touch the lid, so we had to do something about this. So if you look on the side of your Instant Pot, you can see what type it is, and you can see there it says volume. Mine is in this case is the 6-quart Instant Pot. So I got onto Amazon and I found a sealing ring for an Instant Pot, and I clicked on the 6-quart option. They do have a blue and a red pack, or you can get the 2-pack that's just clear silicone, or just one silicone ring if you want, but I wanted 2. And I went with the blue and the red because it's supposed to represent a sweet and savory ring, so you're supposed to use the red or blue, whatever. One for savory food, one for sweet food. Some people claim you can taste the difference. So we're going to find out. I've never tried this before, but there, as you can see, is the sweet and savory pack. So I'm going to put this ring on the lid of the bowl here. It looks like it fits, so it should fit in the lid itself. Let's take the old one out. And I'm going to go ahead and wash mine off. I don't want it to get in the lid yet. There, looks like it's fitting all right. Make sure you put it in all the way so you can see the little metal wire inside of the silicone ring itself. And I'm going to hit the pressure cook button, and 50 minutes is too long. Let's take it down to a minute here. We're just going to test this out. And I'm going to take a cup of water, pour it into the bowl here, and then we're going to place the lid on. Like that. Make sure we set this not to venting, as you can see here. I want to turn it the other way. There we go. And now it's set to sealing. Alright, now the L is on there. That means it's on low heat. It's done. So I'm going to go ahead and release the steam. And as the steam's coming out the right spot, that's good. Go ahead and put my lid here so the water can drain from the lid. And it never leaked once. And that's how you fix a leaky Instant Pot lid. Thanks for watching How to Thrifty.